How to fix Gmail stop working problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Gmail had stopped working problem. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. First of all, make sure that your internet connection is well okay and great. So after this you can just check it out whether it is working or not. Guys, if it is not working, then no need to worry. I'm gonna show you different tricks here. What you need to do here, you just need to go to Play Store here, and then after going to Play Store here, just search for Gmail. So after searching for Gmail here, make sure to update your Gmail, and then you can check it out it is working or not. So guys, if it is not working, then you have to go to Play Store, and then here you can see 3 days on the top left corner. Simply tap on this 3 days and click on my apps and games. Simply tap here, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So now you have to click on this install option here. Simply tap here on the install option, and then this type of interface will pop up. Scroll down, here you will find an option Android system web view. Simply tap here and then make sure to update this. So after updating this, you can check it out whether it is working or not. So guys, if even if it is not working, then what you have to do, you have to go to phone settings here. After going to phone settings, scroll down and go to app management or install apps or something related to apps. Simply tap here and then go to the list of your application app manager. So here you just need to search for Gmail. So let me just search for Gmail here, and then here what you need to do, you have to click on storage usage and then click on clear cache. After this, go back and click on permission, and then here you have to allow each and every permission, and then just go and check whether you can use or not. So after doing this also, if you can't able to use, then what you need to do, you have to uninstall the Gmail application, reinstall it, and then you can try it out. It will absolutely work for you. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please do hit that subscribe button. See you soon on the next video.